General Evaluator Manoj. Thank you, TM Ratika, for making me to run along with you to hear your speech clearly and evaluate your speech. It was a running moment for me as well. When I saw the title, Go Goa Gone, I was expecting that you would share some fun moments with us in Goa. But on the contrary, you made me to run along with your family in the railway platform of Goa to catch the train. As I was also running along with you, I was not able to properly hear your speech, not because of the technical glitches, but maybe because of the noise made by the running train, I think. Well, you have narrated the incident very well by building up the tension stage by stage. There is a saying that calm before storm. You have built up the calm first by saying that your mother is drying up the clothes in the terrace and your father is doing some cleaning work in the floor. That was the calm before the storm. Then the storm suddenly struck not only on you, but on us as well. The train is going to start at 7:30 p.m. on that day itself. And then the incidents you explained and the transitions you used, they built up the tension in us. Unable to zip that bag and then running to the railway station. And then there is one more minute that the train is going to start. And the platform is on the other side. You were all running. Your father first catches the compartment. And then next your mother is way behind you. And somebody helped your mother to get into the train. All these tenseful moments have brought out the tension in us as well. That was a great delivery. The content also, a great storytelling content. You are marvelous in explaining the story with great narration, with powerful transitions. Very well done, Toastmaster Ratika. But I have to give some recommendations as well. Your facial expressions, maybe you don't want to make the facial expressions. I don't know why. But it is good if we are explaining some tenseful situations. We have also to bring that tenseful moments in our face as well. That will definitely you will be able to transfer the tension very fast and more effectively into the audience as well. I think you may have to improve your facial expressions to bring out that tension, which you have very well brought out in the story and in the sentences and in the incidents and in the transitions. Only that part is missing. Maybe you may have to work on that. And then the technical glitches, of course, it happens. But maybe you may have to be careful by doing some pre-testing with your computer. All those things, had you done, maybe those technical glitches would also be avoided. Otherwise, it was a very, very interesting incident. There was no logical fallacies at all. I was a little bit fallacious in the initial stage as I was not able to hear your speech properly, but there were no logical fallacies at all. It was really very interesting, very tenseful moment, explained very intensely. But as I mentioned, please take care of your facial expressions and the technical glitches. Otherwise, I enjoyed the speech very well. Thank you. Over to you, General Evaluator.